So guys, the another step which we will now going to go after we got the idea is to generate the script, which is also very much important. Okay, so for this you can see, you can just go to the tool, and after we have just generate this. Okay, so now we do not need that anymore. Now you can directly go to YouTube script creator. You can simply click on this option, and now this will help you to generate the script. Okay, so here you just have to mention what are the things which you want to include here. Okay, so on that basis it will just going to generate the um, script for you, which is very great. So here what we can do is that we can use chat gpt. So I can just copy this one, and I can just go to chat gpt, and I can tell to chat gpt, hey, this is my topic. Okay, and you can put in the codes whatever topics you have. So you have to copy the top title which you have chosen. Okay, and then you have to say to ChatGPT, and using this, tell me what are the most important things which we can include, which let's say which I can include in my video. So chat gpt is just going to give you some ideas, what are the things that could be included. Okay, so here you can see it, which is going to give you some ideas. Okay, about this. Okay, so let's see if I can just copy this. Okay, now you can just go to this script, paste the script. Okay, and of course here that's it. And then after you do this, so on this basis this tool will just going to create a very powerful script. So simply click on the create script, and whatever you have provided here. Okay, so on that basis it will just going to generate the script, so which is amazing. So here you can see this is the script that has been generated. Now uh, okay, here is a script. You can simply copy this script. Okay, and just go here, and here you can just write script, paste your script here like this. Okay, so this is our main script. Okay, you can even underline these things. So now frankly speaking guys, we are basically now ready with the title, thumbnail, and the script. So in this way you can see, using AI tools only we are just doing all the tasks. Okay, we just do not have to focus too much on things. Okay, and you can see it has included all the things like what should be on the timer and all such things. Okay,